I'm Shilpa Bandyopadhyay, Assistant Professor and Associate Dean of Capacity Building at the Jindal Institute of Behavioural Sciences. I'm here to introduce you to the Sports Psychology specialization that is offered as part of the 2-year MA-MSc Applied Psychology program at our institute. During the second year of their study, our students can choose to specialize. And sports psychology is one of the very exciting options that is available to them. In particular, sports psychology is a very good fit for you if you are someone who is interested in and passionate about the intersection of psychology and sports. This specialization offers advanced training to our students in different aspects, such as goal setting, visualization and relaxation techniques, mental skills training, leadership, group dynamics, and psychological interventions that can help improve sports-based performance. Overall, these are application-based modules, and their primary aim is to ensure that our graduates can work effectively with sportspersons, coaches, and teams. Across the 2 years of the program, our students are expected to earn a minimum of 100 credits. And this includes a combination of core and elective courses, internships, a dissertation-based project, and practicum courses. Students pursue their internships during the intervening semester breaks. And the dissertation is something that they particularly engage in during the second year of their study. Together, the internships, practicum, and dissertation project ensures that our students are well exposed to the practical aspects of sports psychology. In this way, we are able to translate the classroom-based learning into practice and action. Being located in the Delhi NCR region provides us with a unique advantage. We are located in close proximity to some very prominent sporting institutions. These include, but are not limited to, the Sports Authority of India, national federations, rehabilitation and sports medicine-based centers, elite training academies, and performance units. This ensures that our students get the opportunity to receive hands-on training in sporting environments where sports is currently being shaped both at a professional and at a policy level in the Indian context. Our sports psychology curriculum integrates rigorous empirical training alongside real-world relevance. This ensures that our students have a very strong foundation with which they can start meaningful careers in sports, performance enhancement, and behavior-based support for athletes. All in all, our curriculum includes topics such as sports sciences, biomechanics, ethics, law, mental support, and also aspects such as performance excellence and sports injury management and recovery. This ensures that our students understand not just the mindset of an athlete, but also have a nuanced understanding of the entire ecosystem that shapes and drives performance. You can work closely with sportspersons, coaches, support staff, and sporting institutions to build high-performance sporting systems that are psychologically informed, ethically grounded, and most importantly, sustainable. Come and join us at JIBS to build an impactful career in the world of sports.